Sorry, it's going to be two parts. Okay, where we were is we were at 25 times 3. We'll just kind of leave that up. 25 times 3. Okay, I need to see where my work was. Let's see where my work was. So 25 times 3 is 75. I should know that. That would have been easy. Just think of quarters. 75 minus 36 times 2, which is 72. Well, the bottom, just subtract 75 minus 72, and you get 3. So I'm just going to leave that 3 over here because I know that's my denominator. So just kind of chill that 3 over here. And now, we're going to solve the top. The top, I'm going to erase this, okay? And I'm going to erase the bottom because we just solved the bottom. So now let's solve the top. And the top, I'm going to use a box to solve because it's easier. Now, and you need a 2 by 2. So you have 4 square roots of 3, 3 square roots of 2, 5 square roots of 3, 6 square roots of 2. So if we're given something like this, 5 times 4 is 20. Square roots of 9 is 3 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 3 is 2, so square root of 6. 6 times 4 is also 20. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Square roots of 4 is 2 times 2. So combine whatever like terms we have, which is right here. So 20 plus 15, 35, square roots of 6. Well, we can take the square root of 9, which is 3, so it's actually 20 times 3. And then 18, take the square root of 4, which is 18 times 2. So 20 times 3 is 60. And then 18 times 2 is 36. Well, we have more like terms here. So we get 96 plus 35 square roots of 6. And then we put it back over our 3. Well, we're not quite done because we can actually simplify. Because you're going to take this 3, and if you can divide it into both, then we can actually simplify. So 96 divided by 3 is 32. 35 divided by 3. Wow, so never mind, that was off. Hang on. I think I messed up on my thing here. I got 36 square roots of 6. Ah, guys. 24. 24 plus 15. I messed up. See that? No one told me. 39. So 39 divided by 3 is 13. So plus 13 square roots of 6. We have just simplified that entire equation. We rationalize the denominator first, which you always have to do. Rationalize denominators, and then simplify as far as we can. And that's how I got 32 plus 13 square roots of 6. So, let's try, I know, I cut that off. It's kind of a little tiny 2-parter episode, and I apologize. It was an incident we had to go take care of. So fun, I know. So that's how we rationalize denominators, especially ones that have something like that. Make sure if you're given something, I'm just going to do this, and we have the square root of x plus the square root of y. You're going to multiply the top and the bottom by the opposite. Square root of x minus the square root of y When we do that, the middles cancel out, so we don't even have to do a box on the bottom because x times x is x squared. Taken out is x. Y times y is y squared, and it's negative y. And then on the top, it's just x square root of x minus x square root of y. And we can't do anything, so that's how we simplify. That's how you rationalize denominators. You have to rationalize the bottom because you can't have radicals on the bottom. That's just the rule of math. No radicals on the bottom. Would you stop playing with the tripod? Hey, stop it. She doesn't care. So, we learned how to rationalize denominators. Tomorrow, we're moving on to some quadratics, which will be fun. Come here. This cat is playing with the tripod, and it's bugging me. All right, that's my two-parter. Sorry about the two parts.